Today, we're diving into the Marshmallow Insurance App, a digital-first insurance platform designed to simplify the way you manage your car insurance. If you're tired of dealing with complicated processes, confusing terms, and long phone calls, Marshmallow promises a smoother, more transparent experience. But how well does it really work? Let's find out. What is Marshmallow Insurance? Marshmallow Insurance is an app-based service that provides car insurance, leveraging technology to streamline the process and offer more affordable premiums. The company's unique selling point is its use of data-driven pricing, which takes into account not just traditional factors like age, driving history, and location, but also less common variables like your car's emissions and how often you drive. This allows the app to offer more personalized quotes, which can be a game changer if you're someone who doesn't fit the typical mold. The app is available for iOS and Android, making it accessible to a wide range of users. When you first sign up, the app walks you through a quick process where you input your personal details, car information, and driving habits. Based on this, Marshmallow provides a quote that's designed to be competitive, offering a transparent breakdown of the costs. No hidden fees, no complex jargon, just clear, straightforward pricing. Key features of Marshmallow Insurance. One of the standout features of Marshmallow is its easy-to-use interface. From getting a quote to managing your policy, everything can be done directly from your smartphone. The app also offers paperless documents so you can access your policy and make any changes with just a few taps. This convenience is perfect for anyone looking to manage their insurance on the go, without having to deal with endless paperwork or wait for postal mail. The app's claims process is also streamlined. If you need to make a claim, you can upload photos and information directly from the app and track the status in real time. This is a refreshing change from traditional insurance companies, where you might find yourself on hold for hours or waiting days to hear back from an agent. Another great feature is the customizable coverage options. Whether you're looking for basic liability or comprehensive coverage, Marshmallow allows you to tailor your policy to fit your specific needs. The app also offers add-ons like breakdown cover and legal assistance, giving you more flexibility than many traditional insurers. Pricing and value. When it comes to pricing, Marshmallow claims to be more affordable than traditional car insurance providers, and many users report that their quotes are significantly lower than what they've been offered by other companies. This is largely due to their use of advanced data analysis to offer personalized pricing. Marshmallow also offers flexible payment plans, so you can pay your premium in monthly installments if that works better for your budget. However, like all insurance companies, Marshmallow's pricing will vary depending on your individual circumstances. It's important to compare quotes and ensure that the coverage you're getting fits your needs. Marshmallow is most beneficial for people who have a good driving record and who want an easy-to-use app that offers competitive pricing without the hassle of dealing with traditional insurers. Where it could improve. As great as Marshmallow sounds, it isn't perfect. Some users have reported that their quotes fluctuate, with the premium changing unexpectedly after a few months, so it's worth paying attention to your renewal rates. Additionally, because Marshmallow is relatively new compared to established insurance companies, its customer service can sometimes feel a little less responsive, especially during peak times. Another consideration is that Marshmallow currently only offers car insurance. If you're looking for home or life insurance, you'll need to look elsewhere for now, as Marshmallow's offerings are currently limited to just one area of coverage. Who is Marshmallow Insurance best for? Marshmallow is a great fit for tech-savvy drivers who are looking for an easy, affordable, and transparent way to manage their car insurance. If you want to avoid long phone calls and complicated forms, the app's simple, intuitive interface makes it a great option. It's also a solid choice for those who drive infrequently or have a unique driving profile, as Marshmallow uses advanced data to offer personalized quotes.